Hello everyone, welcome back. Before going to watch this video, please subscribe my small YouTube channel because I'm keeping so much of efforts to make this video. Okay? In the previous lesson, we learned group by, right? And what it will do? It will create groups. But grouping alone does not use us the information we need, right? Today we are going to perform calculations on those groups. Okay? We will learn mean and sum, minimum, maximum count, and finally the very useful uh, aggregation function, which allows us to perform multiple calculations at once. Okay, let us see in the practical way. Yeah, let us see in the practical way. As usually, first we will load our data set. Shift enter. Yeah, it is already loaded, right? Next one is average, which is mean. This calculates the overall average, which is final grade. G3 means final grade, right? But if we want the average for school, what we will do? Yes, we will add school column, right? Now let us run this. Shift enter. Yeah, we got the average. Now let us run for the school. Yeah, we got the average, right? And the next one is sum. Suppose we want the total final grade for each school. On that time, we will write like this. See, just I'm showing these lines for just for an example purpose only. Okay. Now let us run this. It will give sum. Yeah, we got the final grade sum here. Final grade school sum. Okay. And the next one is minimum. Minimum means lowest grade. It means lowest grade for each school. Okay. Now let us run this. Shift enter. Yeah, we got the output, right? 0 0. And the next one is maximum. Maximum means highest grade for each school. Okay. Now let us run this. Shift enter. Yeah, we got the output, right? And the next one is what? Next one is count. Count means it will counts the non-missing values. Means non-missing values means nothing but the actual values, right? Now let us run this. Shift enter. Yeah, we got the output. Okay. And the next one is size. Let us see the output here. Yeah, we got the output. And the next one is median. What? Median. Here, see, this is the important one. Here, the median is the middle value after sorting. What? Here, median means we already know about the median, right? Here, it will give the output middle value after sorting. Now, let us see the output here. Shift enter. Yeah, we got the output here. Okay. Next one is standard deviation. What? Standard deviation. Df dot group by school final grade dot standard deviation. And this tells how spread out the grades are. For now, remember low standard deviation. Values are close together. Okay. High standard deviation. Values are more spread out. What? Here, remember once I'm going to explain one time. Once remember it. Low standard deviation means values are close together. High standard deviation means values are more spread out. And we will study standard deviation properly later. Okay. For now, just we will run this. Shift enter. Yeah, we got the output, right? And now suppose we want average, maximum, minimum, and medium. Instead of writing these single lines, we will write like this. Okay. Df dot group by and column names dot aggregation and whole. Whatever we want to perform, those mean, maximum, mean, median. Okay. Now let us run this. Yeah, we got the output. See here, mean, max, min, median. Okay, and the next one is aggregating different columns, and this also, see, this is also the most important one. Okay, aggregating the different columns. Now let us run this. Shift enter. Yeah, you got the output, right? And the next one is renaming, rename aggregation results. What? Rename aggregation results. Now let us see the output here. Yeah, we got the output here. See here, average age means age mean, average age becomes average age. Average final grade becomes average final grade. And average, so sorry, it is not average. Highest grade, final grade means highest grade. We'll get the output here. Okay, I hope you understand. And in the next video, we will understand the merge. Okay, merge concept, which is the most important one. Merge and join. Okay, uh, let us join. Let us learn merge and join. And please subscribe the channel and please support me. Thank you.